Lesson learned, always, if you got a bird in hand, take it. Take it. Time is of the essence whenever you're dealing with the contracts, and quite honestly, out to a property we have under contract here in Mount Vernon. Got to meet a potential buyer and try to get this thing sold. So we actually had someone that was going to move forward on the property initially, and we gave them a full week. They were in Florida. They're like, we've already seen it. We put eyes on it. I want it. Don't sell it. We had a second offer come through on the property, which hindsight's 20/20, but I should have trusted my gut. If you got a sound offer, get it locked up, because if it's not in writing, it's a he said, she said deal. So in this case, our buyer basically backed out. He was acting kind of funny. After reaching him 2 days after he said he'd be ready to move forward, he was just kind of, oh, we have another house we're going to look at, and we're not too sure where we're going at this point. So anyways, lesson learned, always, if you got a bird in hand, take it. Take it. Time is of the essence whenever you're dealing with the contracts. And quite honestly, if we do not sell this property to this buyer right now, we're going to have to just lock it down and close on it this week ourselves, because we are running out of contract time. And one, we need to respect the seller's time as well as ours. So hopefully we'll get it written up. We'll keep you guys posted, and we'll put some eyes on the property once we roll up to the site. Stay tuned. We just pulled up to the house. This is actually right across from a Lutheran theological seminary. It's got nice bones, but this house needs a full gut. This thing's in rough shape. We're going to take a walk around the back, which is our entry point. Got a couple other investors that we met here that are walking through. Definitely needs a new deck out back. Nice big backyard. It says what scares me the most. The floor's kind of warped, which makes me wonder about foundation. Bathroom needs to be gutted. Kitchen. You take a look for yourself. This thing needs a good bit of work. We got some nice hardwoods. Fireplace. Some massive rooms downstairs. This thing's got 6 bedrooms. Formal living room as soon as you walk in. Another room. Go up the stairs. Thing's got so many square feet that doing a full rehab in it is going to easily cost us $20 a square foot. It's got some beautiful bones. Walking around this thing, couple things that are a little bit alarming. Got that massive split right there on the foundation. And this wall seems to be bowing out a little bit, which is weird.